Hey everyone, and welcome to our oddly satisfying tutorial. If you picked up a kit from Goddard, we gave you 2 cups of kinetic sand in different colors, some clay, clear nail polish, a spoon, a toothpick, and instructions. We are going to dive into the clay cracking part first. So you're going to need your toothpick, your clay, and your clear nail polish. The first thing you're going to do is create something with your clay. It could be anything, any kind of shape, food, an animal, whatever you would like. And you just form the clay to whatever shape you would like. I'll do a ball just to make it easy. And to keep my hands clean while I'm painting it with the nail polish, I'm just gonna stick it on the toothpick. Gonna open your nail polish. And you are gonna paint a thin layer all over your clay creation. And you're going to let that dry completely and then paint another layer on. So our first layer is dry. We're going to paint our second layer. Remember, try to get it thin. All right, and you're going to let that completely dry. You should only need 2 to 3 very thin layers of the nail polish, and I'll show you what it looks like once it is dry. All right, so my nail polish has dried. As you can see, it's made the clay very shiny. And I also have one that I had made a little while ago, so I could show you how you can make different shapes. So all you do when it's dry is just smush it, crack it. Sometimes it's super satisfying, sometimes it's really hard to hear, but it is crunchy when you feel it. And you can reuse this, make another shape, and repaint it. I don't know if you can really tell, but there's like the clear coating over it and the soft inside, and that's what makes it satisfying when you crush it. The next project you can do with your Take and Make kit is with the kinetic sand. So you can really do this any way you would like. I'm going to show you one way to do it. So you're going to open both containers. You're going to press one of the colors down into the bottom of the cup, so it's nice and flat and packed in, like that. You can make it even if you want, it doesn't really matter as long as it's packed in there. And then you're going to take the other color, put it on top, and pack that down as well. It'll look something like that. And then you're going to flip it over, tap it out. It'll look something like that. And now is the fun part. So you can use the spoon we gave you, you can use a plastic knife at home, any kind of tool that you want to use, and you can start breaking it apart however you would like, depending on the angle and the speed at which you break it apart. It can make a satisfying crunchy noise like that. So basically it's just playing with the kinetic sand. You can mix these back together. You can put them back in your cup and redo it the way we just did it. Cut it up a different way. If you have a melon baller, which is like a really cool little tool to scoop out a melon, or like a mini ice cream scooper, you can also use that to make spheres. drop them into your cup as well, and you can smush those with something flat. That's also pretty fun. And you can make your own videos of you slicing and crushing your sand. And if you do, you can tag us in them. Our Instagram is at MyWPL Team. We hope you had fun, and let us know if you have any questions.